Model: 18-plate Ford Transit Custom 290L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive Special Editions 2.0 TDCi Color Edition Van Very Rare 170ps Model Smiling Face Worth Top Money Hard to find these around face with hand-over-mouth spares or repairs. Body: blue, panel van. Mileage: 127284. Engine: 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 170ps. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very easy and simple repair on these for someone to fix. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: once this is on the road, retail a lot more than a normal transit money. Mouth face bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors.